Hello everyone, and welcome to Compare the Carrier's YouTube channel. We're your trustworthy partners when it comes to vehicle transportation, be it cars, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, trucks, golf carts, RVs, trailers, or heavy equipment. You name it, we help to move it. Today, we'll guide you through the process of requesting a quote from us. It's simple, straightforward, and designed with your ease in mind. Let's get started. Visit our website, comparethecarrier.com, and you'll find yourself on our homepage. First, enter the pickup and delivery locations. This information will help us understand the journey your vehicle needs to take. Next, select the type of vehicle or item you're looking to transport. Provide as much detail as possible about your vehicle. Next up, choose your preferred transportation date. We'll do our best to accommodate your timeline. Lastly, provide your name, email, and phone number. We value your privacy and will only use this information to get back to you with your quote and assist you throughout the process. Hit Compare Carriers when you're done, and your quote request is on its way to us. After we receive your request, our team will go to work. We'll review your information and find best carriers tailored to your needs. With Compare the Carrier, you're joining a community of satisfied customers who have experienced the convenience of our superior vehicle transport services. So, why wait? Start your worry-free moving journey with us today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to guides and tips from your reliable moving experts. Compare the Carrier, compare to save.